Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial video from Login Helps. Here we will be showing you how you can manage profiles on your Netflix account. In order to manage your profiles, you will need to use your web browser. So let's go ahead and get started. Open up your web browser first and then go into netflix.com. You can sign in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged into your Netflix account, point towards your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Profiles. From the Manage Profiles screen, you can edit the various profiles on your Netflix account and also add a new profile. If you wish to add a new profile, click on the Add Profile button. You will be asked to provide a name for this account. Go ahead and type in your name. If this new profile is for anyone under the age of 12, then you can click on the Kid button. Then click on the Continue button, and your profile will be created. In order to edit any of the profiles, you can click on the Edit button. From here you can edit the profile. In order to change the name, you can simply go ahead and type in your preferred name. You can also change your profile picture by clicking on the Edit button. From here you can select your profile image from various shows on Netflix. Go ahead and select your profile picture and then click on Let's Do It. To change your language, you can click on your language drop-down menu underneath the language option. Then select any of your preferred language. You can also edit your maturity ratings by clicking on the Edit button underneath the maturity settings. You can also set your autoplay controls from this page. If you wish to delete this profile, you can also click on Delete Profile. When you have made all of the changes, click on the Save button. And then just click Done. So that is how you can manage your Netflix profiles. If this video was helpful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.